to our founders.
Namaskaram.
World's first class-changing vehicle, a vehicle which can convert from a three-wheeler to a two-wheeler to enable the young, aspiring future of India who want to do multiple jobs through a single vehicle. This vehicle is the world's first time in India we have created this vehicle. Nowhere in the
That's
world there is
important.
such.
No.
Nowhere in the world such vehicle exists. Now this vehicle is also being in process to be adopted in other countries like Latin and Africa. We are pitching this to the international bodies also that we should adopt this vehicle in those countries also. We are starting with India. We will be doing a pilot with these vehicles. A new category for
You
this
want to
vehicle
give a
has been
demo?
created.
You want to give a demo?
Yes. We'll just show you. Please. You can see the two-wheeler is inside.
ये किधर से खुलेगा?
Please come.
So as you can see, it's a very spacious seat. It's not a congested one.
Yeah.
3 people can always sit easily.
Yeah.
Good head space and everything. And for the driver also. So it's a two-wheeler and a three-wheeler, but the controls are the same, so he doesn't get confused.
Okay.
So this vehicle enables them to earn more. He can do the earning with a three-wheeler and then convert it two-wheeler and do Swiggy, Zomato deliveries or bike taxi, or maybe
or
use it
family
for
use.
personal use. To drop the kid to the school, so they don't feel comfortable in going in an auto rickshaw. If they want to go with the family to a family function, so they want to prefer a two-wheeler. It's a young generation. So that's why this single vehicle enables you to do a lot more than we have thought. So this will change.
Let's see the conversion.
You
That's
guys have to
interesting.
Hold on.
कहाँ खड़े होना पड़ेगा?
Just. ఎందుకు వస్తుంది?
There is a mechanism which holds the two-wheeler with the three-wheeler body. Right now it is separating.
Separating
Now,
and automatically it will
now
come
the
out.
two-wheeler will come out. The person can just take away the two-wheeler. The two-wheeler rear wheel is inside the body of two-wheeler. It will come down and it will become a two-wheeler.
नहीं आ रहा? नहीं आ रहा?
It takes a minute. It's at least a 30 to 45 second process. It takes at least 2 minutes per person to convert.
Right now, they are testing it out. So 10 of these they are testing. All in Delhi. Testing.
Yeah, the testing of this product is happening in Delhi NCR region. So we are making first 100 pilot lot. Currently we are having this vehicle registered. A new RC of the vehicle has to be created for this. That's why the government.
But currently there is no this
there is
class
no
of
RC,
vehicle.
it is not existing. So new RC type has to be created where it has two. We have to maintain all the safety protocols so that the driver is safe while he is doing the interchange. It's a very complex mechanism to separate a vehicle from an original body.
But we have done it in a very simple steps. The user only have to click buttons, nothing else. No manual intervention.
Yeah.
The two-wheeler rear wheel is inside the two-wheeler body. Now it will lift up and become a two-wheeler.
Yeah.
It's not that the rear wheel is driving it.
The three-wheeler drives itself. The two-wheeler now it will become a proper two-wheeler.
The front is used for the three-wheeler
Yes.
also.
The front wheel is common for two-wheeler and three-wheeler. Now it is lifting up.
Such a technology doesn't exist. We have taken inspiration from aerospace and marine engineering and put it in an automobile. So a lot of challenges over there, and we had the support of Hero Motocorp and Hyundai region, and we were able to do that.
Very well.
This was recognized by USA's
Time magazine as the topmost inventions of 2024. Even the USA has recognized this invention as a very new in its category. So the idea is customers can
ferry passengers around during the day. Then we take the family out if you want on the scooter at night.
All cargo. All cargo.
Or cargo. Oh, of course.
Now it's converted
Now
into
the
a
two-wheeler is ready for the use.
Now, consumption of petrol,
No,
This is electric.
elect- how much it will take there and how much here? Consumption.
Consumption.
A scooter as a vehicle, three-wheeler.
Yeah, so the three-wheeler has a 12 kilowatt of power and it can go up to 100 kilometers. More than that, right now we are still testing. So similar for the two-wheeler, we are targeting 120 kilometers. Easily it is giving 100. We are optimizing a few things here. And the load capacity, the three-wheeler has its own motor and powertrain. So it has a 500 kg capacity. This is as good as any other Vida or a Mastro era or Mastro scooter or something. So it's as good as that.
Charging at home.
Charging at home, we have separate charging. So when the
So you are
two-wheeler
having
is outside,
charger, but at the same time, at home also they can
you
charge.
can charge and you can put the three-wheeler at charge when the two-wheeler is out. So that once you come back, the three-wheeler is ready for the use.
Okay.
So you don't, there is no drawing time. The vehicle can go
Two-wheeler and three-wheeler are separate chargers or only one charge?
separate,
Separate.
separate charge. Because if the two-wheeler charger is same and the two-wheeler is away, then three-wheeler will not be able to charge.
The battery can be same. The charging gun can be same, but we are providing two separate charging positions.
Position.
Yeah.
But gun is
can be same.
Gun is
so the engine is same.
Yes. Customer here has the ease of using any vehicle at any time.
Yeah. Good. Good innovation. Excellent. Will go in the vehicle.
I will drive you.
You
I will be
drive?
driving you.
Okay.
Yes.
Good.